Hi everyone, it's Amber and thank you so much for coming back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do something really casual and super fun, and I'm going to talk about it in just a second. But before we get started on that project, I want to share the lighting that I'm using in today's video and tell you about this new lamp that I just got. Today's video is being sponsored by Bright Tech Shop, and this is a company who has incredible lighting. They sell different kinds of lamps and they have such unique designs, and the approach that this company is taking, offering these gorgeous, unique, really modern and trendy lights with great LED quality to the everyday person, not just interior designers, but they make them affordable and also very user-friendly to put together. There's like hardly any assembly required, and there's such nice quality. So as you can see in that last clip and here in this photo, I received the LightView Pro XL 2-in-1 LED magnifying desk and floor lamp. It's like a 2-in-1 situation, you guys. This is an incredible light. I chose it from the website. They did reach out to me, and I just thought that this would be such a great light for filming. So I wanted to go ahead and test this light out today, and I actually really like it. I'm filming not too late in the evening, but kind of early evening. It's not as bright in my house, and I'm using this light for this entire video that you're about to watch in just a second. But I just wanted to mention that this kind of has like a ring light effect. So if you want that even lighting on your videos, this is a great light to pick up. It can sit on your desktop, it can sit on the floor. So not only does this light work great for filming, but also for crafting. We are all crafters, and it doesn't matter if you're a sewer, beater, if you're doing detailed vinyl work, anything. This has a magnifier that blows up whatever you have under it up to 2.5 times the size. You can also adjust the lighting to dim and brighter. And with the magnifier, I'm going to put some washi tape under here and show you how it works. It's so crystal clear. And so if you guys are interested in any of the lamps over at Bright Tech Shop, I'm going to go ahead and leave a link here in this video. So check the description box. You can go ahead and click on that link. And by clicking the link, you are automatically going to get a 15% discount on your total purchase. So make sure to check that out. Like I said, I filmed this entire video with this lighting, and I really loved it. So again, the link will be down below. Let's go ahead and get started on today's project. This is going to be a super fun video, and I hope you all will join in. I'm going to do a 5-minute craft desk challenge. I once saw Kristina Werner do this, and she did it like a long time ago. I don't know if she did 5 minutes. I don't know how many minutes she did. But what you do is you just sit down at your craft desk and you make something in 5 minutes with just stuff that's already on your craft desk. Now, this is not going to work for those of you who keep a neat and tidy craft desk, because you probably already put all your supplies away and, etc. So what's going to happen is, I am not a neat and tidy crafter. So my desk is filled with scraps and tools and all kinds of stuff from like multiple projects that I just kind of stack to the side and bring in the next project. So for me, it's going to kind of be, who knows what this is going to look like. I decided to do a card, and so this is going to be kind of like a 5-minute card challenge. I am filming with my phone because my other camera right now, the battery went dead, and so it's charging. And so I have my husband's cell phone here to keep to do the 5-minute timer on, so you can keep me accountable. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sit. It's going to be like in 5-minute real time, and I'm just going to see what I can create. And the only thing that I made sure was on my desk was my ATG gun. Everything else, play it as it lies, right? Okay, let's go ahead. Here is my husband's phone. So I'm going to put it right there, and I'm going to go ahead, and as soon as I hit start, I'm going to get started. So here we go. And don't mind me. Like I said, this is just the real deal right here. There's no editing or anything. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I see is this white piece of cardstock, and the reason I have this is because I was using it as like a light filter the other day when I was filming. So I'm glad that I have this. So what I'm gonna do, if I can find my, here it is. Oh my goodness, things are falling everywhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut this in half at, oh, I don't know why I opened that. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this in half at 5.5. Get rid of this piece. And here's our card base. OMG, I'm nervous already. Oh my gosh, what's going on? Okay, so I hope I have a bone folder somewhere. Oh, here it is. All right, let's check the time. 4 minutes and 14 seconds left. Okay, so I'm just folding this in half. We're gonna do a top folding card. Hope you guys can see this because like I said, I'm using my phone right now, so I don't know if I'm in frame. Okay, so here's our card base. Now I just need to pull things. I've got this on my desk. I've got this going on over here on my desk. Okay, so enough chit chat. Let me just go ahead. Oh, I have this on my desk. What in the world is that from? Okay, so let me go ahead and think for a second. Ooh, I see some scraps. So let me lay down like a foundation here. I don't even know what I'm saying. Okay, what's the time? 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, it's already been 1.5 minutes. Okay, so let me get some scissors here. You know what we're just gonna do? I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Oh my gosh. So as you can tell, I'm not a very easygoing person. I'm a little nervous and a little bit all over the place. So I just added some ATG to this. Can you guys see that? Sorry, I keep bumping the table. I'm a hot mess. Okay. I don't know why. And my air conditioner keeps kicking on. Sorry about that. So let me cut this excess off. And we've got our card started. It doesn't look like much right now, and I have no idea where direction it's heading in. Let's use some of this pretty... I don't even know why this is on my desk. I think this is from the Dollar Tree, and it's duct tape. So let's do something with this. Now, remember, this is a 5-minute card, so it's not going to be perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, the code. What's his code? Oh, great. Oh, I got it. Oh my gosh, 2 minutes left. Okay, so it looks like these go this way. So let's just slap some of this on here. I don't know what's going on right now. I mean, oh my gosh. Get out of my life. Okay. All right. So I'm going to cut that. I'm not going to make it. I have 1 minute and 48 seconds. This looks like freaking... Okay. Let's go here. So we have some sort of base going on here, and then I need to cut off the excess. I have 1 minute and 32 seconds, and I'm ruining my Tim Holtz scissors right now by cutting this. Okay, now let's go. Ooh, I have these Project Life cards. The winner is you. Do you match? Do you even match? I don't even know. Okay, that looks kind of cute. Oh, I have my corner rounder. Okay, what's the time? Oh crap, I gotta put the code in. Sorry guys, I don't mean to. 58 seconds, everybody, 58 seconds. So I'm taking the large side of this corner rounder, and okay, I want to put this here, but I want to put some layering behind it. Do I have time? Do I have time? Oh my gosh, Amber, what are you doing? This is kind of cute. Oh, I don't want to really... Oh my goodness, I'm not going to make it. 28 seconds. No, no, no. Go, go, go. Okay, I got it. 21 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and layer this down first, and then 10 seconds. Not my best work. Not my best work. Okay. that's the timer. Do I have a second to just trim this little guy off the back? Okay, so that's the timer. And this is the card that I came up with. It's not too bad, right? 5 minutes, I mean, this is pretty cute, and then you can just write your sentiment right there. So, there's my cute card. So that was really fun. I hope it didn't stress you guys out too much. I know I was kind of like anxiety filled there for a little bit, but I thought it was fun trying to beat the clock. So this project, as I mentioned before, is kind of like a mixture between, as I mentioned, the Kristina Werner video where she just pulled scraps and stuff from her desk and made something. And then Danny over at Fizz Paper did like a 10-minute project challenge. I can't really remember if it was a card or a pocket letter maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe she did 15 minutes, but that's where the inspiration came from. So if you guys decide to do this 5-minute challenge, will you please go ahead and let me know in the comments below so that way I can go over and subscribe to your channel if I haven't already and then watch your video. So maybe we'll do like a 10-minute something on another video, but I thought this was super fun. I would like to thank Bright Tech Shop again for sponsoring today's video. And as I mentioned before, all the links, everything's going to be below if you'd like to go and check out their website. And I just want to show you in this last clip here what the difference in lighting is with and without the light on. So here is the clip without the light. And here's what it looks like with the light. It's a lot more crisp and clean and just a better quality picture. So I just want to say thank you for watching this fun video, and I hope that you guys give this a try. It's really fun, 5-minute challenge. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.